They were touched by the presence of the Lord. And that is why they were converted. And yet, they remain still with their aggressiveness and determination. The church then is formed not by uniformity, but unity in diversity. And what makes us united is the common mission that the Lord is calling each one of us. And that mission is nothing else but for the greater glory of the Lord when the people will be all liberated from the bondage of oppression and sin. And this is what we are working hard and working for. Secondly, what made this mission possible for Peter and Paul, considering that both of them are with two different characters? These two persons, when they were touched or they were converted, they don't just simply hang on to their wisdom in knowing God, but more than that, they believe in the revelation. They were, of course, out of wisdom, but they start to understand and open themselves and learn the consequences of following Him, and they accept and fully embrace that no matter what. In other words, these two persons made a radical choice in their lives. Tayo mga Kristiyano, ito yung panawagan sa atin. Maging radikal sa ating pagpili. Kagaya ni Jesus, na siya ating pinuno at namuno sa isang taong radikal sa kanyang buhay. Dahil piniling niyang maglingkod, kahit kapalit man ito ay ang kanyang buhay. And this is